everyone, this is made from Xi'an Dashenming Machinery Equipment Company. Today, I will show with you our wet gold pen mill. Look at this picture. This is our wet gold pen mill, and our gold pen mill is used for the grinding local cord and PC cord. And our wet gold pen mill is application for the gold, copper, zinc, lead, silver, actually. This is our gold pen mill's technology parameters. We have 50 models of gold pen mills and the dimension video size. About the video size, please note that the video size is less than 3 nanometers and the speed, power, weight. Last, I will show with you the delivery time of our pen mill. Finally, the working videos of our pen mills I will show with you. Look at this. Okay, dear friends, see you next time. Bye bye.